Imagine a world where your devices make decisions without relying on cloud servers. Sounds futuristic, right? Welcome to the era of AI inference at the edge. In this video, we're going to unpack the amazing technologies that are making this possible. AI at the edge is reshaping industries by bringing processing power closer to where data is generated. This means faster response times, reduced latency, and a more efficient use of bandwidth. Are you ready to explore the magic behind it all? Let's talk about TinyML. This revolutionary approach allows machine learning models to run on microcontrollers and low-power devices. But how does it work? TinyML optimizes models to be lightweight while still delivering powerful insights in real time. Here's a surprising fact: TinyML is allowing devices to operate in environments with little to no internet connectivity. Think about smart sensors in remote areas, like agriculture or wildlife monitoring, working entirely offline. Now, let's shift gears and discuss neural processing units, NPUs. These specialized processors are designed specifically for machine learning tasks. NPUs enable devices to perform complex computations that were previously only possible on powerful servers. What if I told you that some smart home devices can learn your habits and preferences without ever sending data to the cloud? With on-device machine learning, your privacy is preserved, and your devices become much smarter. But wait, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into cutting-edge technology. We're just getting started, and you won't want to miss what's next. Now, let's explore some real-world applications of Edge AI. From healthcare devices that monitor patient vitals in real time to industrial robots that optimize their performance on the fly, the possibilities are endless. Have you ever wondered how self-driving cars make split-second decisions? They rely heavily on Edge AI to process data from sensors in real time, ensuring safety and efficiency on the road. However, integrating AI at the edge comes with its own challenges. From power consumption to model accuracy, developers must navigate a complex landscape to ensure their solutions are effective and reliable. The future of Edge AI is bright, with advancements promising even more powerful and efficient solutions. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more seamless integration into our everyday lives. In recap, AI inference at the edge, along with TinyML and NPUs, is transforming how devices interact and process data. It's an exciting time for technology enthusiasts, and we're just scratching the surface. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this information valuable. Subscribe for more tech insights, and stay tuned for our next video where we will explore the ethical implications of AI in society.